Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about factors on which the electrode depends. So there are 4 to 5 factors on which the product of electrode depends. So let's discuss those. So if we do talk about the first product, so that will be basically the nature of electrode. How the electrode nature is, like it is NaCl, it is magnesium bromide too. So these are the nature of electrodes. NaCl or magnesium bromide. Okay. After that, here we have second, we can say a factor which affect, that is medium of electrolyte, which medium we are taking, either that can be molten or that can be aqueous. It can be molten or aqueous. Molten or aqueous. Our third factor is concentration of electrode. What is the concentration? Either it is concentrated or it is dilute. Concentrated or dilute. When concentrated or dilute. Our fourth will be, it depend upon nature of electrode. Either it can be inert electrode or it can be active electrode. Inert electrode or active electrode. Fine. So now these are some of the factors on which the electrode depends. So let's talk about the rules for the product formation, how the product formation is formed. So first of all, you assume that inert platinum we can say electrode unless mentioned. अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर कोई मेंशन नहीं किया गया कि कौन सा इलेक्ट्रोड यूज करना है, either inert or active, so you must go with the inert electrode if it isn't mentioned. Most cases में that is mentioned, go with inert or active. But if it isn't mentioned, you will go with the inert electrode, and inert electrode is platinum graphite like this. Okay, platinum graphite. Then we have, try to write anode reaction first in case of active electrode. अभी जब भी आप कोई अगर हमारे पास एक्टिव इलेक्ट्रोड ले रहे हो ना, तो कोशिश करो कि फर्स्ट यू राइट द एनोड रिएक्शन and then you write the cathode reaction. Okay, so yeah, these were the two of the rules. Now we should go with our case 1, which is molten state. We will discuss about case 1, which is molten state. Sorry, electrolyte, not electrode. Molten electrolyte. Okay, so what is here in the molten electrolyte? Like electrolysis of NaCl with the प्लेटिनियम इलेक्ट्रोड. मतलब हम कौन सा इलेक्ट्रोड लेंगे? इनर्ट इलेक्ट्रोड लेंगे और मोल्टेन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन के अंदर करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस beaker and these are two rods. This is anode, this is cathode, and here you can see the solution is molten, so here Na Cl plus negative. So there we can say chlorine is negative, will attach to the anode because anode is positive. NaCl is positive, it will attach to cathode because cathode is negative. Fine. Now here in the molten state, remember that NaCl mostly temperature is 100 801 Celsius, but so this is very high temperature. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर हम है ना कैल्शियम क्लोराइड को ऐड करेंगे तो इट वुड बी अराउंड 600 सेल्सियस. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द टेम्परेचर where this molten electrolyte can occur. Okay, molten electrolyte can occur. After that, here we have anode reaction. Now let's discuss about first reaction, which is anode reaction. Okay, so in anode reaction, as chlorine was going to shift on the anode by losing one electron. Okay, this is loss of electron, and you know that loss of electron is known as oxidation. So at the anode the oxidation will take place, or you can say it is PAO, positive anode oxidation. Here we have positive charge, so it will be positive anode oxidation. Fine. And if we should go with the cathode, we can say reaction, cathode reaction. So here what will be happening, here we have you can see Na. Na is positive, it will gain one electron and become Na in the solid form. So here you can see it is the gain of electron. And you know that the gain of electron is known as reduction. Reduction, or you can say this is NCR, negative cathode reduction. NCR, negative cathode reduction. Fine. So this was about the molten electrolyte we took about of the NaCl. Now let's do with the another case, another example, by taking the electrolysis of magnesium bromide, which is the molten form. So if we are going with the anode reaction of this, anode reaction, so what will occur? Magnesium bromide will give Mg2 plus 2Br negative, right? So this is loss of electron and oxidation will occur. Same goes for the cathode reaction. Here you can see cathode reaction is oh sorry, this is yep. Okay, this is the whole reaction. And here if I do write about anode, so it will be 2Br give Pr2 plus 2 electron loss, and in the cathode magnesium 2 plus gain 2 electrons and give magnesium in the solid state. So they both are what? They both are the anode and cathode reactions. Fine, I hope this is clear. The electrolysis of NaCl and magnesium bromide in the, we can say, molten form. So if I can make here the table which will easily identify that here if we should go with the molten of electrolyte, here we have anode and here we have cathode. Okay, so here you can see if the molecule of electrolyte we are going to take NaCl, so chlorine will act as the negative where oxidation will occur, and you can say Na will act as the cathode where the reduction occur. Same goes if we are going to take magnesium chloride. So here you can see chloride will occur as anode, magnesium will occur as cathode. Again, if you are doing lead bromide, where you can see bromide occur as cathode and lead occur as bromide anode, lead cathode. So this is how you can easily identify. I hope this is clear. The next video will discuss about another case which is electrolysis of any a compound in the aqueous state. Till that, bye bye.